To get started with using the brand slide in RIPL, begin by typing RIPL into a web browser's search bar. The official RIPL website should be one of the first options, so click on that. This will take you to a page with various features, including create, pricing, blog, login, and sign up buttons. To create an account, click on the sign up button and fill out the necessary information. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Once logged in, the RIPL homepage will display several options, including RIPL Home, My Post, My Brand, and My Account, as well as a search bar, help center, and gift icon. To use the brand slide, navigate to the brand section, where you will see your logo, along with options for brand colors and brand font. However, to access the brand slide, it's necessary to go back to the home page or click on the Share Post option. From there, you can add more slides to your post by selecting pictures and choosing to make them static. The brand slide will always be the last slide of your post, featuring your logo. When creating a brand slide, you can customize it by adding a tagline, contact information, background color, text color, font, and font style. All of these options are available to help you create a personalized brand slide. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize the brand slide and RIPL features to enhance your online presence.